I gotta get a picture of you working.
Well, I got this firewood here. Jeremy's gonna come up here and cut it. I just need to drop it off for now.
Okay.
Where you put your firewood?
Yeah, just right in front of where the firewood is there. Looking good. Yeah, right there's fine. That's great.
So he's gonna come up here and cut it?
Yeah, right. That's fine. I didn't know you were that strong. I just thought you... Only thing you did was ride around.
Yeah. Do way more than that.
I see that. I'm impressed. Very good.
Okay.
Wow. I was gonna say, where's the horses at? I could lock them up so you don't have to keep opening
Oh,
them.
thank you. That would be great.
Let me see it.
What's that?
This is the kids working.
Oh, you're filming it for real?
Yeah, for real.
They're supposed to be working.
They are working.
They are.
There we
So
are.
happy to have their help.
We'll put some music to it. Da 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 da. I need you to move that big log out of the way.
Pull up.
Okay, we got it, Bo.
We're doing good.
Oh, that big one.
There we go. Everybody in the pond, cool off.
I want to get in there. Trust me. It's probably too gross for me.
Yeah, well, you're the one out jogging in the morning.
I already did 5 miles this
I
morning.
figured that, yeah.
I'm still sweaty from that.
How are we gonna move the big tree?
I'm not a
We're just gonna like attach all the cars. I'll bring you guys something. I got more water.
I don't know what they are, but it seems like if it's poison ivy, it jumps out and gets me.
I get it bad.
I do too. Matter of fact, I had it so bad one time, I went to see my doctor, and he said, hold on a minute, Robert, let me get the camera. That's not a good sign.